Hi and welcome to the account settings video tutorial. This video will take you through the features of the account settings and how to use them. So let's click in here. In here you will be able to update and manage all of your information at any time. On the left over here is the summary of all your details and information. The middle here is how your profile appears when other Entropolis citizens click to view your profile. And here is where you can actually update your profile. All of the fields that are in white are editable fields. If they're grayed out, they are not editable. We recommend that you check these details and also update any empty fields that you see. This will help other people find you so you can grow your support network. Over here is where you can upload a profile photograph. Clicking on it will make it a default, which you'll see is notified by the tick. Biography is a free text field you can complete yourself. Keep it short and punchy, but give enough information so that people know a bit more about you. And the same goes for experience. We don't recommend a full resume, but the key points about your experience are ideal. You can also add other areas in here about your school, about your websites for your school, other media channels, and any other information that you would like to share. So that's it. Just have a look through all the fields that are in here. Make sure that you're happy with everything that's been pre-filled in. Fill in any gaps yourself, and make sure that you press save once you are finished. That's it for this video tutorial. For more tutorials on other areas of the Entropolis dashboard, just click on the tutorials icon.